Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, where we unravel the mysteries behind common foods and how to maximize their nutritional benefits. Today, we're delving into 8 everyday products that you may be consuming incorrectly. Each of these items holds valuable nutrients, but the way we prepare and eat them can significantly impact their health benefits. Let's dive in and discover why it's essential to consume certain products in specific forms to retain their full nutritional potency. Let's begin. First and foremost, when it comes to tomatoes, many of us limit our consumption to raw slices in salads or sandwiches. However, there's a whole world of tomato products out there that offer unique health benefits when incorporated into our diets. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. While raw tomatoes contain lycopene, processing them into products like tomato paste, sauce, or even ketchup can actually enhance their nutritional value. During the processing of tomatoes, heat is applied, which helps break down the cell walls and release more lycopene. Additionally, some tomato products are cooked with healthy fats like olive oil, which further enhances the absorption of lycopene into the body. So next time you're reaching for tomatoes, consider incorporating tomato products like paste, sauce, or even sun-dried tomatoes into your meals to reap the full benefits of this nutritious fruit. What's more, garlic is renowned not only for its distinctive flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. However, the way we prepare and consume garlic can affect its potency and the health benefits it offers. One common mistake is consuming garlic cloves whole or chopped without proper preparation. To unlock garlic's full potential, it's crucial to crush or chop it and then let it sit for a few minutes before cooking or consuming it. This activates an enzyme reaction that boosts the production of allicin, garlic's primary active compound responsible for many of its health benefits, including its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Additionally, raw garlic can be challenging to digest for some people and may cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Cooking garlic can help make it more digestible while still retaining many of its health-promoting properties. Moreover, incorporating garlic into your meals alongside healthy fats, such as olive oil, can enhance the absorption of its beneficial compounds. So, whether you're adding garlic to a stir-fry, pasta sauce, or salad dressing, remember to crush or chop it beforehand to maximize its health benefits. Did you know that turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, primarily attributed to its active compound, curcumin? However, to harness the full power of turmeric, it's essential to consume it in the right way. One common mistake is simply adding turmeric powder to dishes without considering its bioavailability. Curcumin, the key compound in turmeric, has poor bioavailability on its own, meaning that it's not easily absorbed by the body. However, there are ways to enhance its absorption. One effective method is to pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. So, when using turmeric in cooking or making turmeric-based drinks like golden milk, adding a pinch of black pepper can significantly enhance its effectiveness. Another mistake is not incorporating turmeric into dishes that contain some fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves in fat, which aids its absorption into the bloodstream. Cooking turmeric with a source of healthy fat, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or ghee, can improve its bioavailability and ensure you get the most out of this powerful spice. But wait, there is more. When it comes to eggs, they are a versatile and nutritious food packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, there are misconceptions about how to consume eggs for optimal health benefits. One common mistake is eating eggs raw or undercooked. While raw eggs are sometimes used in certain dishes like homemade mayonnaise or Caesar salad dressing, consuming them raw can pose a risk of salmonella contamination. Cooking eggs thoroughly reduces this risk and ensures their safety for consumption. Another misconception is that eating raw eggs provides superior nutritional benefits compared to cooked eggs. However, research suggests that the body may actually absorb more protein from cooked eggs compared to raw ones. Additionally, cooking eggs can increase the availability of certain nutrients like antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. Furthermore, the way eggs are prepared can impact their overall nutritional profile. For example, Frying eggs in butter or oil adds extra calories and unhealthy fats, while boiling or poaching eggs without added fats can help maintain their nutritional integrity. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, when it comes to potatoes, they are a staple in many diets around the world, providing an excellent source of carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. However, there are certain misconceptions about the best ways to consume potatoes to maximize their nutritional benefits. One common mistake is avoiding cold or chilled potatoes. While potatoes are often enjoyed hot, cooling them down can actually increase the formation of resistant starch, a type of starch that acts similarly to fiber in the body. Resistant starch has been linked to various health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, better digestion, and increased satiety. Another misconception is that all potato products are unhealthy. While fried potato products like French fries and potato chips can be high in unhealthy fats and calories, there are healthier ways to enjoy potatoes. Baking, boiling, or steaming potatoes without added fats can help retain their nutritional integrity while still providing a delicious and satisfying meal. Additionally, removing the skin of potatoes before cooking or consuming them can strip away valuable nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The skin of the potato is particularly rich in potassium, vitamin C, and antioxidants, so leaving it intact can enhance the nutritional value of your meal. Next up, when it comes to green tea and wine, both beverages are celebrated for their potential health benefits thanks to their rich array of antioxidants and other bioactive compounds. However, there are some common mistakes in consuming these products that may hinder their potential health benefits. One mistake is consuming green tea alongside or immediately after meals. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which can bind to iron from food and inhibit its absorption in the body. Therefore, drinking green tea with meals may reduce the absorption of iron, particularly non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. Another misconception is that more is always better. While green tea is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation, excessive intake can lead to negative effects due to its caffeine content. Drinking too much green tea can cause caffeine-related side effects like insomnia, anxiety, and digestive issues. It's best to limit consumption to around 3 to 4 cups per day. When it comes to wine, one common mistake is assuming that all types of wine offer the same health benefits. While moderate consumption of red wine has been associated with various health benefits, including heart health due to its polyphenol content, excessive alcohol consumption can negate these potential benefits and increase the risk of adverse health effects. Additionally, drinking wine alongside foods rich in iron, such as red meat, may interfere with iron absorption similar to green tea. Consuming wine in moderation and avoiding excessive intake alongside iron-rich meals can help mitigate this effect. Now let's talk about apples, as they are not only delicious but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. However, there are some common misconceptions about the best ways to consume apples to maximize their nutritional benefits. One mistake is peeling apples before eating them. While it may seem more convenient, especially for picky eaters who dislike the texture of apple skin, the peel of an apple contains a significant portion of its nutrients. Apple skin is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenol, which have been linked to various health benefits, such as reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Therefore, leaving the skin on when consuming apples can help you reap the full nutritional benefits of this fruit. Another misconception is that applesauce or apple juice is just as nutritious as whole apples. While applesauce and apple juice may still contain some vitamins and minerals from the fruit, they often lack the fiber found in whole apples. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. Consuming whole apples, rather than processed apple products, allows you to benefit from the fiber content and maximize the nutritional value of the fruit. What's more, when it comes to vegetables, they are an essential part of a healthy diet, providing an array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. However, there are several common mistakes in preparing and consuming vegetables that may impact their nutritional value. One mistake is overcooking vegetables, particularly by boiling them in water for too long. Boiling vegetables can cause water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins to leach out into the cooking water, leading to nutrient loss. Additionally, overcooking vegetables can result in a mushy texture and bland flavor, making them less appealing to eat. Another misconception is that all vegetables should be consumed raw to retain their nutrients. While raw vegetables are indeed nutritious, cooking certain vegetables can actually enhance the bioavailability of certain nutrients and make them easier to digest. For example, cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, while cooking spinach can increase the absorption of iron. Discarding vegetable peels or skins can result in nutrient loss. Many vegetables' peels contain valuable nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. For example, potato skins are rich in potassium and fiber, while cucumber skins contain vitamin K and antioxidants. Leaving the peels on when consuming vegetables can help maximize their nutritional value. And there you have it, folks. By making small adjustments to how we prepare and consume these everyday foods, we can unlock their full potential for nourishing our bodies and promoting overall health. Whether it's incorporating more processed tomato products for enhanced nutrient absorption, properly crushing garlic to activate its beneficial compounds, or enjoying chilled potatoes for increased resistant starch, each change can have a significant impact on our well-being. Remember, the key is to approach food with mindfulness and appreciation for its nutritional value. By understanding how to optimize the way we eat, we can transform our meals into powerful sources of health and vitality. So, let's embrace these tips and make every bite count towards a healthier, happier lifestyle. Take care, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.